I couldn't resist. Sorry, I couldn't resist because you know, when I started doing these reviews, brands were offering me some accessories that require some opening of the interior panels to mess around with the wires, with the cables, to, for example, make the automatic frunk, these accessories that it's like a rotatory knob, the smart key buttons that you can place all around the car. You know what I mean. And I was like, no, just give me the spoiler, give me wheel covers, give me floor mats, things that didn't require to mess with the electronics of the car. Well, I'll say it again, I couldn't resist. This is the EVBASE backseat light for the Tesla Model 3 Highland. The thing that I like the most about this accessory is that it looks original. It looks like it was coming already with the car. It looks like if Tesla did it. So the 64 colors, you control it in the screen, including also the brightness adjustment. And installation wise is quite simple. It's gonna take you 20 minutes. The first 2 minutes, you just remove the rubber, you remove a panel, and then you have access to a connector where you need to install 3 pins here, here, and here. And then all the job will be to reroute all the wires so that are not visible to finish the installation of this incredible accessory. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Now this car absolutely looks like a spaceship, so just consider buying. Thanks again EVBASE for giving me a chance to review this product. Keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking this video so that I can show you guys more accessories, and like always, see you in the next one.